Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel.
What have you become? When I've been, that's what you've been. I was blind, I was.
Feels so good to be back. I hope you girlies had a really good New Year's. And welcome 2026. This is my first girly haul of 2026, which is so cute. So as you can tell by the title, I am doing a girly spoiled girl haul or whatever. I don't know how I'm gonna word it, but it's gonna be something along those lines because I did spoil myself recently for 2026. I just feel like, I don't know, I just wanted to spoil myself. I don't know, I have no other explanation. But yeah, so let's get right into this haul because there's so much girly luxe items that I cannot wait to show you and also cannot wait to use. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with a bag. This bag is giving princess luxury vibes. I wanted to add this Chanel bag to my collection because I don't have a lot of Chanel bags. This bag is so cute and so dainty. Let's get into the unboxing and see what she's giving, and we'll meet right back here. So the bag itself is this cutesy little mini Chanel, and she's a mini Chanel flap or the Chanel Kelly, and she is in the perfect shade of pink. I am obsessed with her, and you girlies know I love small bags, especially when they're pink and they're girly, and this is super girly. I think this is gonna be my new go-to either everyday bag or date night bag. I just can't wait to use her on date night with my man. And with the nails too, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, so freaking pretty. I love the gold hardware. I love that it's not too yellow. I hate when gold hardware is very yellow. This is just like brassy and I love it. So you just twist and the flap opens. I love how thick and sturdy these handles are too, so they don't like flop over. And then inside you have the long crossbody strap. Chanel really doesn't make bags that their straps detach. And then the inside, oh, a little aroma packet. That made the bag smell so freaking nice. So you have the Chanel card, which I think this is such a cute little addition to add to the luxury experience. And then on the inside, it's just pink throughout, and it is pretty roomy. You have a little card slot here. I love it. I freaking love this bag. Even the gold zipper on the inside that says Chanel is so freaking cute, you guys. You see that? I'm obsessed with her. She's so pretty, and she's gonna look so cute on display as well. I love this bag so much. Everything is so good. Like, the quality of it is so freaking amazing. It's insane. And we're just gonna put her right here because she's just that cute and she needs to be put on display. So moving on to the next portion of this haul, which is gonna be more luxury items, and I just splurged. I'm not gonna say I blacked out like most people would say, like I blacked out. Like, no, I didn't black out. I knew exactly what I was doing, and what more can I say about that? So let me get everything. I decided to go to Sephora and treat myself. I do have an online order for Sephora as well, so we'll get into that after. First, I want to show you what I picked up in store. But I was like craving a Sephora trip, so I decided to pick up a couple of things. One of the items is a foundation item. So I decided to pick up the Anastasia Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation. Currently, I am using and have been using the e.l.f. Halo Glow. She is my absolute favorite foundation when I do decide to use foundation because she's glowy and lightweight. This, I've heard so many good reviews on it. It does claim to be weightless and moisturizing, hydrating, natural, long-lasting, soft matte finish, second skin, blurring, like all the good things. So I decided to pick her up because we want to look like a real life filter, am I right? So I picked up the shade 2N, and first of all, Anastasia, I have so much respect for that woman. She is so business savvy, and when you learn her background of where she came from or how she was brought up, like it just gives you a whole nother like perspective of her. So I respect that woman so freaking much. But here is what the packaging looks like. If you're not familiar, she is a very popular foundation. A lot of makeup girlies have been raving about this. I might do a makeup tutorial using all my new products or favorite products plus new products, things like that. So look out for that soon. Next, I picked up the Dior Backstage Glow Maximizer palette. So originally, which she was sold out, I was gonna pick up this palette, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because it has like a pearlescent and then icy shades, which is really pretty, typically what I would go for. But why invest so much money in a highlighter palette when you already have those colors? You know what I mean? So instead, I decided to grab the 004 Rose Gold Glow. Here's what she looks like. She is absolutely stunning. So you get a pink shade, a gold shade, a champagne shade, and like a rose gold shade. And all of them are so freaking beautiful. And I am obsessed. So pretty. I'm actually really excited for the pink and the gold, which that's what they swatch like. So pretty. Okay, moving on to my online order. So let's get into the little samples that I do have before we get into the other products. So the first sample that I have here is Clean Reserve, and this is a perfume, a rollerball perfume, and the scent is Sparkling Sugar. I've never heard of Clean Reserve before, but let's see what she's about. Cute little bottle. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, she smells really pretty. This is a really good after shower scent. I like her a lot. She smells super good. I definitely want to look into the full size and how much she is because this is a scent I can see myself wearing literally every day. That's how good she smells. The next little sample that I picked out was the Versace Dylan Purple. She's a rollerball too, which I appreciate. So freaking cute. And let's see. Oh, she's so cute and little. Look at how cute that is. Such a cute little perfume to just stick in your bag. Oh my goodness. She smells so freaking good. I hate falling in love with luxury scents. Oh my gosh. I like her a lot. This is really good. If you're on the market for a really pretty luxury smelling perfume, this smells so pretty. I don't think it lists the notes. I love this scent. I'm afraid what the full size price is, but I might just have to like get her because she is so good. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Versace. Oh my god. All right, so the next sample, this is like a deluxe sample, I believe. This is the Lancome Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara for a fanned out volume look up to 24 hours. I have had the Lancome mascara before. I don't remember if it's this one. I might have it still in my mascara drawer. And fun fact, I used to work for Lancome and that was really fun. But here's what she looks like. So cute. And I always like seeing what the brush looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, now let's get into the two items that I purchased. So the first item I picked up was the YSL Make Me Blush Bold Blurring Blush. I got the shade 42 in Baby Doll Pink. Are you surprised? I love that pink baby doll blush like look. So I knew I wanted to add this to my collection because she's so freaking pretty. And I wanted to spoil myself, so I picked this one. And here's what the packaging looks like. So freaking beautiful. I love the pink leather. So pretty. Oh my gosh, yep. This is giving baby doll pink for sure. She's definitely giving baby doll. I just wish she was a little bit bigger, like the bronzer palette I feel like is significantly bigger, but she's still really pretty nonetheless. So I picked up a YSL blush. So the last item I decided to pick up from Sephora was the Huda Beauty Icy Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I have been eyeing this palette for such a long time and I haven't pulled the trigger because she's $69. I love this eyeshadow palette. I love the colors that it's giving. So when I was in store, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to get it today. Between the foundation and the highlighter palette, it was already a good chunk right there. So I was like, let me just wait a week and I'll place an order. So I did, which is why I bought these items. I'm sure a lot of you girlies have already seen this palette before. And she's just so freaking beautiful. She's very heavy, so very well crafted. The packaging is crazy, like, oh my gosh. And the shadows itself, wow. This is the prettiest palette I own. Oh my goodness, those colors. I'm obsessed. She's gorgeous. So I definitely need to do a little pretty makeup tutorial using all these pretty makeup items. Diamond Dew, oh my gosh, and Iced Out. This palette is stunning. I'm so happy I picked her up. Yes, so she's pricey, but she's worth it. I understand the hype for sure. And that's it for my Sephora haul. I do have, let me see. Oh yeah, I ordered from Ulta and I did have a gift card, so basically I paid nothing. So the two items I picked up from Ulta was the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I wanted to give this a try as well and add it to my makeup collection. This one is more for like glam looks, I guess, and I'm gonna try to do this for like every day. I don't know, depending on the finish, because I do like a satin finish, so I hope she's pretty. And I got the shade 24 Light Warm, So hopefully she's a good match because I don't typically like buying foundations online. But I was like, you know what? Let me just add her to the cart. Cute. And she was only $9. The next item I picked up from Ulta, this is the Dior Forever Glow Luminizer. And this is also a highlighter. So this is in the shade 03 Pink Halo. If it focuses. But yeah, I saw this and I was like, you know what? Let me use my gift card towards this because she's a little pricey too. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love the packaging. I love how the designer packaging, they put like the leather. So cute. So let's open her up. Okay, here's what she's giving. She looks stunning. Definitely gonna do a tutorial using these products to test them out. So yeah, this is the Glow Luminizer in Pink Halo. And I'll show you what she's supposed to look like as well so you can get an idea because I don't want to swatch her right now. So, super, super cute. Alright, you guys, so I think I'm going to close out the video here. Oh my gosh, she's so ridiculous. So I think I'm going to close out the video here. Thank you girlies so much for watching and tuning in and spending time with me. And as always, I love you girlies so much, and I'll see you in my next girly video. Bye girlies.
Can we get it together?